Ladies and gentlemen, Smoke and Mirrors never cease to give us shocking scenes, and this week's shocker is Nthabiseng's comeback. And like all other viewers out there, I'm here wondering if she really came back or it's just Sakile dreaming. What you guys are seeing on your screen right now is the Emnyameni community's shocked faces after they saw Nthabiseng's look-alike. This means one thing, guys. Angela Sithole comes back on Smoke and Mirrors. You know, it all makes sense now. I remember when Nthabiseng died, we were all shocked because her exit to Smoke and Mirrors was never announced. Even after her death, a lot of questions were raised by fans, but the production company of the show never answered any of those questions. I remember that the most asked question was, is Nthabiseng really dead? And if she's really dead, why did she leave the show? But all of those questions were never answered. All the production company told us was to keep on watching the show to find out. Gandhi, this is what they meant. You guys never believed me when I told you that the finale of Smoke and Mirrors is going to be a blast. I also cannot wait for SAFTAs and Royalty Soapy to see how many hours they are going to get, because guys, I am really impressed. Do you guys have any idea what Nthabiseng's comeback could do to this show? If Nthabiseng comes back, she's obviously going to expose Thandiswa, and if Thandiswa is exposed, obviously Caesar will also be implicated. And that is a moment where both Caesar and Thandiswa need to be united, but cannot be united because both their secrets would be out, meaning that Thandiswa would have found out that Caesar is the one who killed her sister, and Caesar at the same time finding out the truth about Thandiswa. Looks like Nthabiseng's comeback is going to bring a lot of problems at the Emnyameni town, and I don't know about you guys, but I don't think that this is Nthabiseng. I think it's her sister or something. Not unless there's some witchcraft that took place for her to wake up, but this cannot be Nthabiseng. You guys will remember that Nthabiseng was shot by Thandiswa, she died, and stayed for many hours before they dug a hole to bury her. You cannot be telling me that there's someone who'd escape that. Not unless you're an immortal. But at the same point, with the rate and speed that Smoke and Mirrors is going, anything is possible. And guys, don't forget that these are just my thoughts. You're also allowed to share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic on the comment section. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please press like, share it on your socials, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.